This video is about adding categories to your blogs. So I've gone over here in the left-hand column to the word posts and hovered on it, and then that allows me to come down here and click on categories, which pulls open this page. And right now it's going to leave an uncategorized category, which it always does for just dummies, and it's impossible to delete it. This is also just in case you forget to assign a category to your post. It'll automatically tag it with this one. So all I need to do now is I'm just going to stare at these and just say, all you got to do is add health. You do not need to add the slug, which is, again, it's going to be the URL friendly version, which is really what WordPress is using. I just need to add one and hit add new category, because even if I don't add the slug, it's going to go ahead and add it for me. So just again, type it in there and add new category. So I'm just going to go do that one by one for each of your categories for your blogs. I will point out that if you were trying to add one that for some reason had multiple words or spaces in it, like here, let's pretend I was going to add one that was called health and %, which the internet hates, and fitness. If I was to add this one, it adds it here, and it goes ahead and it makes the slug for it, which is where it's going to go ahead and just insert a hyphen because there's no blank spaces on the internet. That's how we can see it, but that's actually not what the text or the code is. It inserted a hyphen in there and it got rid of my ampersand sign. And for some reason, once you already have these set, let me go ahead and delete this one. Once you already have these set, and it's time for you to come up here, which will be in a different video, to make a new blog post. I'm just going to pretend I'm going to do that here real quick. And this is ready for me to give it a headline title and to go ahead and paste my text into it. One of the things that you have to do is assign a category. And at some point I can come over here, and if this caret was closed, before I save it, I just pick which of the categories I want it to be from. And if for some reason I realize that, oh, I've got a new category, you can always add a new one here. So I'll just call this racial. And then come down here and hit add new category. And as soon as I've done that, I can actually go back to the category list and refresh. And it added it to my permanent list here alphabetically. So again, if for some reason when you're actually making the post you realize you're creating a new category, you don't have to stop and go back to the category section and make the category. You can actually add it as you're adding a new post.